In this video, I am gonna show you how I make this with AI within few minutes. Let's see how I complete this. We can see our background are transparent, that's why I create a solid background. For click a solid color. Select the background. For using AI, click generative fill. I want flat background for like studio. Create this prompt. Click generate and wait for the result. It takes sometimes too long. Here is the result. I like this background. Sometimes it can take multiple times generate for better result. Now go to the main part of our design. Our product define pure chocolate. It's the main highlight our product. Now creates to show pure chocolate. This section is the middle of our board. And here is the perfect place to show our highlight things. Select the area and click generative fill again. Water define pure. I think this mixed up with chocolate make perfect combination. Let's see the result. After 3 times generate, I found so many results. I think this one is the perfect one. Okay, we can see our product are not in a good position and its look doesn't make any sense. For this, I want look like my product it drop into the chocolate liquid. I just rotate this object and now it look like that what I want. But here we can see our product have top of the chocolate liquid. For this solve, select the top layer and select the masking. Also, I have to decrease the opacity for easily select the remove area. Now select the area what I want to remove. After select the area, remove that part, just fill the masking area to black. Our main product is chocolate. It is important to show product parts. The second ingredient of our product is nuts. Let's add its surround. We can see our chocolate liquid are not attractive and looks simple. Also our product have second ingredient. I think let's add our second ingredient on this liquid. Let's design something around it to make it attractive. Okay, our primary design is complete now. There is still a lot to design, but this video was not only to show the design. The purpose of this video is if you have design knowledge, you can easily doing any design in 2024. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Subscribe for being a creative. For connects, follow social media, link in the description. Until then, stay awesome.